Welcome to Pearl Lemon SEO, your go-to source for all things SEO. If you're new here, please subscribe if you're getting value. We release videos daily. Today, we're diving into local SEO, a powerful tool for businesses targeting customers in specific geographic areas. First, let's understand what local SEO is. It's all about optimizing your online presence to attract more business from relevant local searches. Start by claiming your Google My Business listing. This is crucial for appearing in local search results and Google Maps. Next, optimize your listing with detailed business information and relevant keywords. Think like your local customers. What would they search for? Encourage and respond to online reviews. Positive reviews boost your visibility and credibility. Create content that speaks to your local audience. Blog posts about local events or issues are a great way to do this. Also, focus on building local backlinks. Partner with other local businesses and participate in community events. That's a wrap on local SEO strategies. Please give us a like if you got value from this video. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more daily SEO tips and tricks.